Today we shall discuss two brief notes related to reduction from complex integral to real integral. These two brief notes are: number A, reduction from complex integral to definite integral, and the second is reduction from real complex line integral to real line integral. So first we are going to discuss reduction from complex integral to definite integral. As per reduction rule, we have integral over L fz dz equal to integral a to b u x t yt x dash t minus v x t yt y dash t dt plus I times integral a to b v x t yt x dash t plus u x t yt y dash t dt. It is dt. And this can be written as equal to integral a to b, this is phi t x dash t minus psi t y dash t dt plus I times integral a to b psi t x dash t plus phi t x dash y dash t dt, where phi t is u x t y t and psi t is equal to v x t y t. Suppose number 1, number 2. And fzt is equal to phi t plus I psi t. Now one implies integral over L fz dz. This can be written as integral a to b phi t plus I psi t x dash t dt. Taking x dash t common to both these, we shall get phi t plus I times psi t under the same sign of integration, definite integration, plus I times phi t plus I psi t y dash t dt on taking y dash t together with plus I as common, because this minus sign will be plus I square. So it will be finally integral a to b phi t plus I psi t x dash t dt plus I times phi t plus I psi t y dash t dt, and this can be written as integral a to b fz t dx plus I times fz t dy, as we can write dx which is equal to d of xt, the parameter is t, and differential of this will be x dash t dt. Similarly, dy will be equal to dy t, that is equal to y dash t dt. Hence integral over L fz dz will be equal to integral a to b fz t dx plus I dy. Taking this as common, fz t as common, we will be left with dx plus I dy, like this. And this will be equal to integral a to b fz t d of x plus iy, and this will be equal to integral a to b fz t z dash t dt number 4, as dx plus iy will be equal to d of xt plus iy with parameter t, and this will be d of xt plus I times d of yt, distributing this differential operator upon these two variables, these two functions. So this will be equal to x dash t dt plus I times y dash t dt, that is equal to x plus I dash whole dash t operating upon t, dt is the parameter. So this is finally z dash t dt, because x plus iy is z. That is 4 gives reduction from complex integral to definite integral. So this is a reduction from complex integral to definite integral. Number B, now we are going to discuss reduction from complex line integral to real line integral. Reduction from complex line integral to real line integral. From this equation, integral over L fz dz equal to integral over a to b phi t x dash t dx minus psi t y dash t dt plus I times integral a to b psi t x dash t plus phi t y dash t dt, as we have written, it is written here. or integral over L fz dz. This will be equal to integral over L u dx minus v dy plus I times integral over f L v dx plus u dy. So point number 5. This conversion from line integral to line integral following certain process which we have already discussed in the previous theorems. So phi t, as phi t is equal to u xt yt and psi t equal to v xt yt, so it has been converted into u and v. Phi is u, psi is v, and x dash t dt is dx, y dash t dt equal to dy. So phi gives reduction from complex line integral to real line integral. So this is our brief note which will be applicable in the further results. Okay, thank you.